Alamin natin kung bakit nga ba sobrang mahiyain ng mga Pilipino. The short answer is our history and our colonial mentality that is deeply rooted in our subconscious minds. For centuries, our colonizers didn't just take our land, they colonized our minds. We were trained to follow, to obey, to ask permission before we act, to doubt before we can dream. We were not allowed to express our ideas, our ambitions, our frustrations. They used religion not to free us, but to tame us, to control us with guilt, shame, and humiliation. For 400 years, they controlled us with guilt, shame, and humiliation. And if hindi gumana yun sa'yo, then what did they do? They killed you. They killed the critical thinkers of our country. They killed Filipinos like Dr. Jose Rizal. And they rewarded the obedient. Inalagaan nila yung mga utu-utu. We learned to confuse respect with silence and submission. To call insecurity humility. To label ambition and confidence as mayabang. And over time, that conditioning became our culture, and it is now deeply rooted within our collective subconscious minds. Nasa programming mo na siya.